In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add audio to a Canva video. So if you've got a video edited and you now want to add audio to it, here's how you would do it. I'm going to add a royalty-free song to this. You can add any audio, but the real first thing you need to do is find the audio track, and you need to choose an audio track you want to add. For me, I'm going to download a royalty-free track from Pixabay. So I'm just going to click download on this one. It's going to then allow me to download it to my computer. We can now add it to Canva. Now you can add any audio file. This doesn't have to be music. It can be commentary. It can be anything. But once you've got the audio file on your computer, go to uploads, then head over to the audio section. You can also record yourself here, but we're going to click upload files. From here, we can then go to the downloads and we can then find the file we want to add. It needs to be an MP3 or audio file. You can then click open. So then I'm going to upload that song or that piece of audio to the upload section, and then you'll find it in audio. So here it is. What we can do, we can actually drag it onto the drop music section, and you'll notice that it will drag onto your clip. Now you can move this and you can choose a section of the audio track that you want it to play. So you can see here I'm moving it, so you could line this up properly for your clip. Now obviously you can only have the audio as long as the video track is, so this video is 20 seconds, so my audio track can only be 20 seconds as well. What I would do is click on the video clip, click audio, and if you don't need audio for the actual video, you can either turn it down all the way, a little bit, or you can just mute it, and you can mute the volume of all videos on the page. This is only if you want the background audio to be playing and the background audio only. And then again, I would click on the background audio, and I would adjust some settings here, including fade and also the volume. You don't want the volume to be too loud. Finally, let's just play it and see if the audio track is actually playing. So there you go, that's how you do it. You can then share and download your video with the audio track attached.